Не оставляйте меня одного,
Нет, ты заканчиваешь или что?
Сейчас
Yeah,
подожди.
you wizard though. You work with her now? You got your
I can send you right now. Yeah, I send you without zero taxes.
That's right.
I do that before. I do for you just to estimate, you know. You can also explain that. That's how it works, you know.
I understand what you're saying, but I'm just saying fair.
What I'm explaining right now, sir.
I understand. Look, you're saying.
So that's why I'm asking you about that.
Well, I mean, he just went on and did it, but I told him, I was gonna get the guy. But that's look, man. This guy did a good job. He did a good job.
Oh, you do want to say that I'm doing the wrong job?
You did a good job too, but it just took a long time. But you did a good job. I gotta pay the guy to come and fix this right here. I gotta pay for that out of my pocket. Okay.
But we're warning you about that. We're
Well, you
warning
told me
you.
that,
Yeah.
but I told you let him go over and talk to me first, because I mean.
We don't have any time,
I
and
know
you're
you don't.
also you don't
that's
have
why
a time.
When he did it, I didn't say nothing. But he got it working good. I'm okay. All I'm trying to do.
Okay. Please, it's okay. It's working.
Yeah, well, see,
Yeah, what's the problem? Just pay and let me go home.
The extra money, that's the problem.
It's not an extra, it's a taxes. What I'm also paying the last of the year, you know?
Okay, we got two things happening. Okay, they cost me extra. Let me explain. Got two things that's happening that's costing me extra money. Number one, instead of getting a new part, you got to get a rebuild. Okay, wait a minute now. Wait, okay. Then I got to pay.
Сейчас он уедет и не вернется, потом что будешь делать? На улице стоять?
Не, он сейчас мне напишет, я сама пойду, это сниму нафиг.
Go ahead and write your receipt up.
Yes, where I can send you. Where's your email?
Don't have one.
What's your email?
No email.
What?
No email.
Why?
I don't operate on email. People steal your stuff.
Тебя интересует. Какие-то постоянно.
Я не хочу дать вам, просто это сделаю тогда. You have? If you wanted to pay me just a 170.50, you have receipt.
Now, where is your 20-day warranty? You don't write receipts or anything?
No, I just sent you.
You sent me a text.
Yeah.
You sent you my text?
Yeah, you have it.
Oh, you talk.
Давай, езжай в банк спокойно, снимай деньги,
Давайте.
потом позвоним.
Давайте, спасибо, Рустам, пока.
Давай.
Будете знаменитыми сегодня. Спорт. Да, я добавлю это шедевр такой. Ругаться с таким человеком.